Hello kids, today we will learn color name, English alphabet, counting numbers and shape names. At first, say with me color name yellow. Write with me A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say with me color name light green. Write with me H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Say with me color name orange. Write with me O, V, Q, R, S, T, U. Say with me color name sky blue. Write with me V, W, X, Y and G. Say with me color name brown. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12. Say with me color name pink. Write with me 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20. Say with me shape name red. Say with me shape name circle. Color name red. Again say with me circle, square, say with me color name black. Say with me shape name rectangle. Rectangle, triangle. Say with me color name green. Say with me Shape name oval. Say with me, shape name heart. Subscribe for more video.